Hi guys! Samahan niyo ako at tingnan natin kung ano ba nilalaman ng isang Rotora Big Break Kit Box. So, tara, check natin. So, here's what's inside the box. Meron siyang calipers. So, dito nakikita natin ay 6-pack calipers. Meron din siyang rotor disc. Ayan, original Rotora rotor disc. And of course, meron din siyang brake fluid na kasama. Brake lines, bolts to secure, and of course, yung user manual with authenticity card, and then the brackets. So, yun na nga guys ang nilalaman ng isang Rotora Big Break Kit Box. So, kung meron kayong mga inquiries or may mga questions kayo with regards to Rotora Big Breaks, you can message us here. I'll put our social media page here, Facebook page. And of course, these are all available through our partner shop listed here below. You can contact them for inquiries. So, we have partners from North to South Luzon. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.